Hi, I'm Rachel Yatuzis, and I'm going to show you how to make homemade stain removers for your clothes. There's really not much making to the whole homemade stain remover thing. If you have rubbing alcohol or hairspray in your house, you've got the best stain removers around besides commercial cleaners. Commercial stain removers are wonderful, but it may be too late to go to the store, or for some reason you may not be able to leave the house. So if you grab some rubbing alcohol, it'll remove almost any stain. Black ink is one of the toughest stains to get out, and the only thing that'll get that out is some hairspray or to blot some rubbing alcohol. For some reason, rubbing alcohol is just a really great stain remover. Once you've let the alcohol do its magic and the hairspray, you want to just wash your garment as usual. You may want to let it sit for a little while if the stain has been there for a while, or if it's really soaked into the fabric. If you have an oil stain, olive oil or grease or something like that, you want to try first using some sort of powder to soak the oil up. Baby powder is great, any kind of talcum powder, or cornstarch is a good thing to use to soak up the stain. Rub it in with a toothbrush, and the powder will start to ball up. And of course the powder is not going to stain the material. You can see how well that's working. And just keep adding the powder to it until you think you've soaked up as much of the stain as you can. After you've done that, wash the garment as usual in hot water. Actually, don't use cold water to do oil stains. You want to wash it in the hottest water that the material can possibly stand, and that will help get out the oil. That's basically it. If you can't get to a commercial stain remover, then this is how you make homemade stain removers. I'm Rachel Yatuzis.